Watashi is the best first-person pronoun in Japanese. I'll introduce how to choose your Japanese first-person pronoun. Let me get straight to the point. Watashi is sufficient in most cases. If you are studying Japanese, you might be confused about why there are so many first-person pronouns in Japanese. You probably watched videos with Japanese subtitles on sites such as Netflix. Many first-person pronouns such as Watashi, Atashi, Boku, Ore, and others appear in these contents. The Japanese first-person pronouns are commonly being used as of 2024. Then, which first-person pronoun is a better choice for you, a Japanese learner, when speaking Japanese? Watashi is the most useful first-person pronoun among them, and you can use it regardless of your gender or setting, from casual to business situations. In East Asian countries, including Japan, people tend to be sensitive about age and the age gap between you and the person you're speaking to. However, if you use Watashi, you don't need to worry about such matters. Thus, if you use only Watashi as your first-person pronoun, you do well in all situations.